In this video, I will show you guys how to find Aviator on your OneXBet account. Before we proceed, don't forget to use the promo code Chelsea TV when you register into your OneXBet account. And to do that, you click on the big green register button above. On the next section, you click on Full. On the next section here, you input all the necessary information needed. On the promo code section, you input your promo code Chelsea TV. So after inputting your promo code Chelsea TV, you get a 300% bonus on your first deposit, which means when you deposit $10,000, you get $40,000. Okay guys, so to find Aviator on your OneXBet account, you click on the menu button below. After clicking on your menu button below, you click on 1x Games. And when you click on 1x Games, you click on All Games. After clicking on All Games, you click on Crash. So when it's done loading, this will appear, and this is how you find an Aviator game on your OneXBet account.